Convenient for Personal Sauna SPA. Step 1, place the main unit on a flat surface. Step 2, fill the water supply tank with water. Step 3, insert the water supply tank to the facial steamer. Step 4, plug in the plug into the power outlet. Step 5, push up the power switch to turn on the facial steamer. Step 6, direct the steam to your face. Step 7, turn off the facial steamer after using. Kind reminder, a few drops of lemonade before using the steamer for the first time. Please let it run with a full tank of water with a few drops of lemonade. Steam temperature and distance. The steam temperature is approximate 104 degrees F/40 degrees Celsius. The distance between the steamer and face should be 7 to 8 inches when steaming. A full tank of water can be steamed for about 8 to 10 minutes. Specifications: product name, hot mist facial steamer, model number, KD-2331A Rated Voltage, AC 110V rated frequency, 60 Hz power, 280W. Package includes 1x facial steamer, 1x manual, generates superfine nanoscale hot steam in seconds, easily absorbed through skin, and moisturize skin more quickly, opens and unclogs your pores, allowing you to remove dirt, oil and grime from your skin, and can be used as an alternative to exfoliating scrubs and chemical peels. Besides skin care, the steamer can also be used for interior humidifying in a powerful and efficient way, can even replace chemical exfoliating scrubs and peels, performs double duty, use as direct skin indulgence and treatment, or simply let steamer run as interior humidifier in any weather. Users manual included. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.